Hey guys, so today we're going to have a super quick lesson looking at comparing, ordering and representing decimals. Now, a common mistake made when working with decimals is treating the numbers to the right of our decimal point the same as we treat the numbers to the left. Now on the left we have all of our whole numbers, our ones, our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, but the ones on the right, even though they're called tenths and hundredths, etc., they are actually only part of a whole. They are like a fraction. So we have one whole, and then over here, 1/10 is actually 1 out of 10 parts to make up a whole. And then our hundredths is actually 1 out of 10 parts to make up 1/10, or 1 out of 100 parts to make up one whole. So if we look at these numbers, which I've represented on a mat like our place value mat, but this time I've got tenths and hundredths instead of our ones, our tens, our hundreds. So if we have 0.57 and 0.6, it would be very easy to think that this is our larger number. It has more place values. It is 57 is more than 6. But this would be incorrect. If we were to place these on a chart, let's do our 0.6 first, our 0.6, we would need to colour in 6/10, remembering that there are 10 tenths in a whole. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts out of our whole. 6 out of 10. If we look at our next number, we only need 5/10 coloured in. So let's colour them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we needed 7 hundredths. So let's colour our hundredths in. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we look at this, we can see that 0.57 is less than 0.6. 0.6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole tenths coloured in. But on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole tenths coloured in and only 7 parts of our 6/10 coloured in. So we have to remember, just because this one has more and this one has less numbers doesn't mean that this one's value is more. Thanks for listening.